I like to recycle.
And think about it, you gotta start saving your plastic because next we're gonna have to build our freaking unit.
You're throwing away fuel!
We're throwing away fuel,
Unbelievable.
What's up, guys? Matt Muck here from All Mucked Up Garage. And right here, I got the final prototype for Nature Jab's Mark V plastic to fuel reactor. We got 9 more of these to make, and I'm gonna take you guys step by step on how we do it, how we designed it, and how we got this sweet final product that we're gonna be building the Mark V with. So, let's get to the action. All right, got a little piece here. It's our reducer. This is what's gonna make it all work right here. Gotta hit OK. That piece is ready to hit the table and get cut out. Now we just gotta fix up our flange. We'll be ready to go. There she is, boys. The final flange. We're getting these things cut. Prototype number 3 coming at you. We got all our parts made up. This is the flange that the waveguide is going to mount to. And then that round disc is basically a reducer. That's going to close up our hole so we're able to weld everything sealed. We'll be able to do everything nice and efficient. Have a nice, clean product, professional, quality, and it's got to look good too. Can't just work good. Boys are heading out riding for today. Beautiful day outside. We got some parts to cut here. It's a little moist in here, but that's all right. Got the fan sucking her dry. All right, we got our piece of stainless. About to cut out some parts for my boy Nature Jab. Looky here, Jab. We got some parts, a whole bundle of them. So we got our machine here. This Pelican box that holds the brains. Now let's get cutting. This here is one custom machine we put together ourselves out of an old junk unit we found in a old building. Pretty nuts. All right, we're fresh off the table. We got all our pieces cut out. I got a few more to clean up here. While I'm cleaning up these pieces, I'm gonna take you over to the vertical bandsaw where I got my guy cutting out all our pieces and getting the tubes cut so we can weld this piece together. Oh yeah, baby.
Nature Jab, baby.
That's precision, boys. That's why we wait for the right parts. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
All right, I was just prepping up these parts. Rachel wanted to give it a whirl. Let's pass the torch on to her and let her prep these things up. She's doing good. We got Sadie, the watchdog, here. She's always doing her job too, just watching. She's finishing up. Let me show you how these babies are looking. Come on. Yeah. That looks good. All polished up, ready to get welded up. Start fitting these pieces together. That's it. Let's get to it. This is our reducer plate right here. That's going to allow us to put on our flange and everything fit together nicely. It's all kinds of tricks to make a nice, efficient, quality part. Let's go. All right, guys, we got this reducer plate I cut out, welded it all the way around here. Now we're going to add this other plate, and that's gonna get welded on there. Then we'll be able to put our magnetron on, which will be a complete item. You turn up that to like 85. See, so 78. All right, boys, we got our tack together, ready to lay some beads, you know what I'm saying? A little blue tape on me. Let's do it. A little scrape. All right, boys, check out that bead right there, son. That's not bad for no hands, dog. I'm just like, huevo. Dang, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Get myself comfortable, and then I lay into it. You wait for it to friggin' come together. Remember, throttle back. Shoot, boy. Got Jason laying it down. Little tigging. For some precision. Plastic to fuel reactors. Focus your bead on your ring.
Yep, that was it.
That's your material. Your tube will just melt right away, you know what I mean? Watch out, Mom. No hands. All about comfort. Oh, there it is. Get a little crazy when I stop, but it's all part of the show, you know. Look at that bead, baby. Come on, doggy. Getting productive around here. Now I'm just inspecting what we have done so far, making sure they're welded all the way around. Because once we cap these and put the flanges on top, we ain't really going to be able to get to these areas. It's a step-by-step process to get the reducer rings and then the flanges on top. And doing it in this step process allows us to assure that this part will be completely sealed with no leaks. See, dude? Now you're TIG welding.
That's not your welding mask.
Almost got really bright up in here, boys. Things almost just got lit. I got to assume the position. You know what I'm saying? Remember, boys, 3 points of contact. I just get contact. Test it. little bit. Oh shit. She shot me. Oh yeah. Now most our pieces are fit to be fuse welded, the term of welding we're mainly using here. Sometimes you get a little burnout, and here I'm adding some wire to fill that hole and make sure everything's sealed up. Tell me I'm a boss. Feeding wire with no hands. That was a big hole too, you know it was. Come on, son. When your welds are looking like that, like, is that gold? Nah, dude. That's muck fab, son. We lay dimes, and we build incredible things. Like race cars. We're gonna make fuel that's gonna make that race car rip, son. Rip. Look at that's prototype number 3. That's what they're all gonna look like. Basically, we got all the reducers welded on. Next, we'll be putting on the flanges. Getting them all tacked up. They're all squared up. Looking nice. All right, it's on. We're putting on the final pieces. We got them flanges all tacked in, and I'm just welding them all up. Just wait until we are turning plastic into fuel. I can't wait. Right now, I probably have over 12 hours into this today, and I'm pretty tired. Oh. Get it down nice. Now if you see here, I hold the torch over where I just welded for a second using what's called post flow to make sure my welds are perfect. Alright, I think we got like 2 more to go. Then I gotta check them over and all that good stuff. But this is it, boys. We got all the flanges on and they're almost all the way welded up. All 9 wave guides, ready to melt some plastic, make some fuel. Let's get it. Shoo, look at them, boys. 9 wave guides. We just got to polish up these pipes, and then before you know it, we'll be able to send them off to Nature Jab so we can turn some plastic into fuel. Let's get polishing. Boom. So what we're doing here is basically porting and polishing the insides so there's nothing that can affect the wave guides from working as efficient as possible. While we're finishing polishing these up, I got my mom over here. She's packaging and cleaning up them a little bit so they look good. And off to Nature Jab. Alright guys, this is the final wave guide number 3. We did prototype number 1 and prototype number 2. This is the final one. We got her all polished up, cleaned up. Welds are looking good, all by yours truly. That's a wave guide there. We made 9 of these babies. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. We also got a build here behind me that will be posting up in the next few days. So be sure to stay rad, and stay tuned, and don't miss out. Peace.